there everyone, welcome back to this channel. I am Miss Nezian. Thank you so much for joining me in this mini lesson. Let's get ahead and get started. You have studied about linear equations in two variables in the previous topic. If the equality symbol will replace by an inequality symbol, then you will obtain a linear inequality in two variables. Let's consider this equation. X plus y is equals to 4. If we will replace the equality symbol here, this symbol, we will be obtaining a linear inequality in two variables. X plus y greater than or equal to 4. What is a linear inequality? A linear inequality in x and y is an inequality that can be written in one of the following forms. Ax plus by less than c, ax plus by less than or equal to c, ax plus by greater than c, ax plus by greater than or equal to c. Expression of the type x plus 2y less than or equal to 8 and 3x minus y greater than 6 are called linear inequalities in two variables. A solution of a linear inequality in two variables is an ordered pair x and y, which makes the inequality true. Have here an ordered pair 1 and 3 is a solution to x plus 2y less than or equal to 8. If we try to substitute the values of x and y to the inequality, it will make the inequality true. Okay, a linear inequality in two variables has a half plane as a set of solutions. A half plane is a region containing all points that has one boundary, which is a straight line that continues in both directions infinitely. Here, x and y axis. The line here is the boundary. The half plane here is the solutions, is the set of solution. It's a set of solution that will make the inequality true. Okay, graphing a linear inequality. The graph of linear inequality in two variables is the half plane. To graph a linear inequality, you need to follow the steps. Step 1. Graph the boundary line of the inequality. Use a dashed line for the non-inclusive inequality, the less than or greater than, and a solid line for the inclusive inequality for less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. Step 2. To decide which side of the boundary line to shade, test a point not on the boundary line to see whether it is a solution of the inequality. Then shade the appropriate half plane. Example. Graph the solution set for x minus y greater than 2. Graph the boundary line x minus y is equals to 2 as dotted line. Okay. To graph the inequality, graph first the inequality as a linear equation. Since the inequality is non-inclusive, use a dashed line or a dotted line. Okay, first find the x and y intercept and plot them. Okay, if we let y be equal to 0, we will be obtaining an ordered pair 2 and 0. Plot the point. Then next is let x be equal to 0. Then we will be obtaining 0 and negative 2. An ordered pair of 0 and negative 2. Plot the point. Then connect the 2 points and extend the line to edges of the coordinate plane. Next, select a test point not on the line, say 0, 0. Since Use the 0, 0 as a test point since it can be easily determined and placed on. 0 minus 0 is equals to 0. 0 is greater than 2 is false. So, since this is not a solution, shade the half plane not containing 0, 0. Next, example 2. Graph the solution set for y greater than x plus 3. Okay, first, graph the inequality as a linear equation. Since the inequality is non-inclusive, use a dotted line or a dashed line. Find the x and y intercept and plot them. Okay, if we let y be 0, we'll be obtaining, or we will have x is equals to negative 3. We now have here an ordered pair negative 3 and 0. Next, if we let x be 0, we will have an ordered pair of 0 and 3. Next, connect the 2 points by extending the line. Connect the 2 points by drawing a line and extend the line to the edges of the coordinate plane. Okay, select a test point not on the line. Say 0 and 0. And since 0 is 0 greater than 0 plus 3 is equals to 0 greater than 3 is false. Since this is not a solution, shade in the half plane not containing 0, 0. Next, graph the solution set for y greater than or equal to 3x plus 2. Okay, graph the inequality as a linear equation. Since the inequality is inclusive, use a solid line. Since the linear equation is written in slope-intercept form, we can just easily plot the y-intercept on the plane. Since our y-intercept is 2 and our slope here is 3, okay, to graph the line, plot the y-intercept first, then use the slope to find the second point. The slope is 3. Count up 3 units going up from the y-intercept and 1 unit to the right. Then connect the points and extend the line to the edges of the coordinate plane. Next, select a test point not on the line, say 0 and 0. Since 0, 0 makes the inequality false, shade in the half plane not containing the 0. Next, graph the solution set for y greater than negative 2/3 x minus 1. To graph the inequality as a linear equation, graph the inequality as a linear equation. Since the inequality is non-inclusive, use a dashed line or a dotted line. To graph the line, plot the y-intercept first. Then use the slope to find the second point. Since the slope is negative 2/3, move 2 units down from the y-intercept, then 3 units to the right. Then connect the points by drawing a line and extend the line to the edges of the coordinate plane. Okay, select a test point not on the line, say 0, 0. Since 0, 0 makes the inequality true, shape the half plane containing the 0, 0. Next, graph the solution set for 3x minus 4y greater than 12. Graph the inequality as a linear equation. Since the inequality is non-inclusive, use a dashed line or a dotted line. Okay. Find the x and y intercepts and plot them, or let x be 0 and another is let your y be equal to 0. Okay, if we let our x equals to 0, it will give us an ordered pair containing the 0 and negative 3. Plot the point on the plane. Then next, if we let our y be 0, we will be obtaining ordered pair containing 4 and 0. 4, 0. Plot the point on the plane, then connect the 2 points by drawing a line and extend the line to the edges of the coordinate plane. Next, select a test point not on the line, say 0, 0. Since 0, 0 makes the inequality false, draw or shade the half plane not containing the 0, 0. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find the video helpful, and if you did, please click the link below and subscribe our YouTube channel. You can also leave a thumbs up or any comment in this video. Your comments will be your support will also be helpful. Thank you again. See you next time.